Hello, this is Tanmay, and today in this video we will be discussing more about attribution. So, attribution is a concept that is mistaken a lot of times. Uh, what happens is it's not just the numbers or the metrics or any kind of numeric data that you are getting through your reports. It's much more beyond that. But people mistake it to just the numeric data. So what they do is they simply go to the Google Analytics and Adobe Analytics platforms or whatever they are using, and they get the data from there. And then after getting the data, they compare it to the attribution model algorithm that they are using. Now, this is very wrong because that's not actually what attribution means to a particular business. It's much more beyond it because attribution is also understanding the context that we are getting the data through. And like the key thing for using attribution is the decision making and reporting that everyone is on the same page. That means if we talk about two entities on your organization, there is one marketing team and then there is one other internal team for other operations. So they'll have to be on a certain same page, so that whatever activities or whatever experiments are being conducted for the betterment of business are in accordance to a particular attribution model. And every team or the every part of an organization is on the same page. Now, a lot of times the teams use different attribution models, but that's not the best practice because alignment of everyone on a same logic, same type of calculations is ultimately the reason that drives action in your organization. So, if you want your organization to be always driven towards success, then every team should be on the same page and they'll have to agree on a certain set of protocols and standards that they are using for making the calculations that are very relevant to your business. And the value of attribution is also different for organization to organization. Your organization can have a different meaning of attribution. Another organization, supposedly of your friends, can have a different meaning of attribution. So that should be really subjective and it should be well thought through before implementing any attribution models. So each organization may understand the value of a customer in a different way. Each organization sees the customer in a different way. For some, it is just for purchasing a certain product, or for some organization, a customer is if someone subscribes to their particular service. So, meaning of customer is also different from businesses to businesses. Attribution is also about how you are marketing those products to your customer, because in a way using marketing we are actually trying to influence the consumer behavior. Whatever the consumer is trying to interact with the content that is available on our online platform, we are trying to influence that consumer and making the consumer buy our products. So when we talk about attribution in regards to marketing, it plays a significant role because we can see a clear picture of what can work out if we follow certain things while we are marketing. We should keep certain things in mind while looking at attribution data so that our marketing campaigns are a huge success. And there is a time difference between interaction and conversion. We can definitely reduce that time subsequently by monitoring the attribution data and following the best practices out there that are relevant to attribution. So that's all for this video, and thanks for watching.